Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. It's me again, Giginix, and for today's video, does your smartphone have no headphone jack and you are looking for a convenient headphone or adapter for your smartphone? Well, you come to the right place, guys. I'm going to share with you a tech review where you can use this adapter for your smartphone needs, okay? What are we waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, this is the adapter or item I want to share with you, which is the Plextone GS1, okay? Packaging is very simple, guys. It has only the item itself and of course the manual and the warranty card, okay? Now, for the testing part, so I tried to test this also for my, let's say, for the charging port. It's very useful, guys. It's working, and also in the headphone jack. And also in the Type-C headphone jack, okay? So guys, let's try also the Type-C headphone jack here. So you can see here, guys, this is the, you can input the Type-C here, okay? So I'm using the AKG Type-C headphone jack. So let's input here, guys. There you go. I'm going to input here on the headset, Type-C headset. Then let's try to test it if it's working. And you can see, guys, it's working. It's working, guys. You can hear it, okay? There you go. Now, guys, I will going to try this also to my Streamlabs OBS, so I can try the mic auxiliary here, okay? I will going to use this adapter to my live streams. If you are watching my live streams on my Facebook page, you can check it out, guys, where I use this adapter for my S20 Plus, okay? Okay, let's try it out now. I'm going to open my OBS Streamlabs here on my PC, and there you go. And this is my mic auxiliary, guys, where I connect my to connect the volume here. We're just going to the vlogs, under vlogs. Then I'm going to open my A power mirror. Okay, let's open my A power mirror here. Then I'm going to connect my A power mirror in my smartphone. There you go. So guys, here I am. I connected my A power mirror from my S20 Plus to my OBS Studio. Then the next thing we need to do here is we play a game. Okay, so let's try to play Call of Duty. Okay. So guys, Plextone is also compatible for the mic auxiliary here. So it is been using for example, extremes. So you can connect your sounds to your computer, from your cell phone to your computer. Okay, there you go. And I can charge my phone at the same time here. It's very convenient, guys. And I just have to hold like this one. Okay, so let's try to play a game. For example, multiplayer. So the sounds is very clear to me, guys. Very useful if you are a streamer and you only have a mic, let's say type C, USB, and no headphone jack. Okay, there you go. This is very convenient to those who needs a type C adapter with 3-in-1. If you need a adapter for your stream. So guys, Plextone is very useful for those who are really need in let's say you don't have a headphone jack on your phone, or you just need it for your streams or for your vlogs or something. Then you can use this one. Okay, very useful, very convenient, very affordable if you're those persons who loves to stream, like COD Mobile here. 3-in-1 adapter for your no headphone jack smartphone like S20 or 21 iPhone or something, iPad. You can use this one. I'm also sharing you also my COD Mobile gameplay. I love to play COD Mobile also. I hope you don't mind sharing this to you guys. Okay. Here's this one. Oh.
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Care package on standby.
Oh, come on! Ow. Snipers though.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked.
So you can hear this is the full sound of my phone.
Hardpoint contested.
Boom! Headshot.
Depends on the settings of your OBS studio. See guys? And very convenient, very easy to use. Just hold like this one, guys. Just have to hold like this one, and you can play it to your PC, or if you are using your let's say 3.5mm headset like this one. So, so guys, when in terms of specs, you can see here guys, Plextone GS1 is a virtual sound card with 3-in-1 Type-C, okay? Then it has a 24-bit 96 kHz high sound quality and a digital decoder chip, 27 fast charging, widely Type-C compatible, and 180-degree fold. So guys, you can see here also the Plextone GS1 is a charging and listening simultaneous adapter. The music plus call plus volume control on the adapter, suitable for PD charging. Not only you can gaming or watch videos or make calls or listen to music while charging, which will give you the best listening experience, but also supports answering phone at any time and volume control through the headset. Okay, that is very convenient with the GS1 Plextone. And also guys, Plextone GX1 have the 27 watts fast charging light speed charging. 27 watts high power fast charging supporting PD 3.0 fast charging protocol. Compatible with QC fast charging. Support up to 9 volts and 27 watts fast charging adapter. Okay, and very convenient guys if your phone is also a fast charging compatible for the cable of type C, and you are using both of it, the headphone and of course the charger. You can use Plextone GS1 as your alternate adapter for it. Okay, so guys, this is the one I love about with the GS1. You can see here guys, it's very small and compact and portable. You can add this to your pocket or in your bag if you are not using it. Okay, it's very convenient guys. Okay, very convenient. The size of this one is 13.5 centimeter and the weight is for about 13 grams. Okay, so guys, you can see here also that the GS1 is using the 3rd generation 180-degree elbow user-friendly design. Okay, you can see 1st generation linear head, or the 2nd generation is the 90-degree elbow, but this one, the Plextone, is using the 180-degree elbow. And also guys, the Plextone GS1 is using the nylon bulletproof cloth, thick flat thread, 360-degree constant discount. Okay, the upgraded nylon bulletproof silk thread material adapts the TPE flat wire drawing, flexible, anti-fracture, strong, and durable. And also guys, the Plextone GS1 is using the nano silica gel paste that can be pasted on different surfaces of mobile phones or mobile phone case on demand. Okay, that's why I can stick on the back of my phone like this one. Guys, you can see here. There you go. Just stick it out here, and while sticking out, make sure that you tap on it guys to make sure it's very stick at the back of your phone, and just input the type C on the socket. There you go, on my phone already. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share this to your family or friends who are looking for an adapter for their smartphone needs. Okay, so this is, I repeat guys, this is only for those persons that has no headphone jack on their smartphone. Okay, if your phone have a headphone jack, then this adapter is not compatible with your smartphone. Okay, take note of that. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my future videos. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye and good vibes. Bye guys. See ya. Bye bye. Stay safe everyone.